Finally, we are here. This is from Aifu sub-county.
I speak for the dead, and I speak the truth, the simple truth. I want to look for it honestly and sincerely. And that was all I was after. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. So what happened, I think, we are all human. I think there were some errors. But I acted I acted to the best of my ability. I acted according to the oath I took as a doctor. I believe I acted ethically. I followed all the laws of the land. And yes, I'm here. I want to say what kept me inside, gave me strength, was the fact that I knew I was standing for the truth. And I want to commit myself to this country. When I do my work, when I examine a woman who has been raped, a girl who has been defiled, I do it to seek justice. On matters of principle, of matters of medical ethics, I thought it was not right for me to give out those samples, which were very special, which were very independent samples. So I declined to hand them over, and my bag was broken into, and they were removed. I moved out of the room when the exercise was being done because I didn't want to be party to it. Party to the whatever would happen to the samples, I didn't want to be party to it.
Maybe you can tell them how you came from the airport.
About 10 minutes, some minutes to 7, the gentleman who identified himself to me later as a police officer called me and said I had issues to settle. And he was not being very sincere to me. He then opened my bags, conducted a search on the bags. He took all my phones. I asked if I could communicate to the people who had sent me with the samples. He declined. I asked if I could communicate with my family to let them know where I am. He declined.